In this video, I'm going to be using Evoto AI as a standalone editing suite to edit this picture we've got on the screen here. Let's see what we can do to it and see if I'm happy, or let's see the final results we can do in a minimal amount of time. So just as if you were working in a studio environment and you needed to show the client quite quickly some results of what you can do, let's have a go. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go in and fix some of the wrinkles. Now that's in beta mode at the moment, so it's not doing a perfect job, but it's got rid of some. We'll just do a quick before and after. We've had a nice tidy up there. I'm quite happy with that. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is just zoom in on the face just a little bit. I'm going to enter this suite first of all. Now there is a few blemishes on the girl's face, so we're just going to use the freckle and acne remover to fix all those. It's processing and it's done, and we will show you a before and after. It does a really good job of tidying up the face. Again, we're doing this as quick as possible just so we can show, like a client, the results real time and quickly. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is quickly go into the retouching of the skin. I'm just going to adjust the whole skin content here by adding a little bit more of a tan to the area, and then we will try and fix the complexion of the body as well, just to lighten that up, and then we'll use the AI to unify everything. And then from there I'm going to go into the, again, we're just doing this quick as possible just to give people an idea of what you can do really quickly. Okay, so we're going to go into the facial reshaping. Let's click on the face. We're just going to slim the face down just a little bit, bring those cheekbones in just a little bit as well. Jawline, we're going to adjust that just a little bit, and then from that one we're going to go into skin retouching. Sorry, not skin retouching. We will go into eye size. Now I can just see a little bit, this eye on the left is just closed a little bit more than the other one, so I'm just going to adjust that. And we're going to brighten those eyes up just a tad as well. Let's go with that. Makeup, we're going to give her a quick makeover because we've got quite a neutral look on the face at the moment, so we're going to give the freckles preset a blast and then bring that down just a bit as well. We're going to make those eyes pop with some eyelashes. Let's get those popping as well. What I want to do as well with this image is, let's just see what we can, just a little bit of a brightness on those eyes. That's going to be too much, so we're just going to add just a touch of colour, extra colour to the blue of the eyes. We'll nip into the contour. Do we need to use any of those? I think we'll go with that one. We'll bring the editing down just a little bit, so around about the 19% on that. Nip into the hair. Where are we? Facial expressions. We don't need to do anything in there. Don't need to do that one. Don't need to do that one. We'll just close that one down. Hair. Okay. In the hair, we're just going to give it a little bit more height. And then we're going to bring the hairline down on the forehead just to probably there. Okay, so from that one, I'm just going to go in quickly to edit the background. Now you can use the background adjustments one, but I'm going to use this section here, and then I'm going to go to local. I'm going to click on background, and I want to adjust the temperature of this background to around about there. Then I'm going to go to full image again, and I'm going to nip into filters. No, not filters, sorry, AI looks. And there's one in here I do like. I think it's a nice and blue. Now it has adjusted the background there as well, so we'll need to go back into there, background local, bring that down again how we had it. Just going to bring the exposure down just a little bit more. Bring that highlight down just a little bit as well. Shadows, we're just going to bring those up a little bit and bring the blacks down, add a little bit of clarity. Not happy with that Nile blue look, so we're going to take that one off. There's a little bit too much of a, let me just go to the person, a little bit more contrast on her. Bring the shadows down just a tad, and the blacks. And there we go. Saturation up just a little bit. I think I'm just going to make those lips pop just a little bit more as well. Let's go to the makeup section. And then we're going to go to lipstick. And we'll go for the, I'm not so keen on the satin look on here, but the glossy one does work pretty well. And we're done. There we go. How long did that take? We've got a bit of an edited image. We can do the final adjustments later on, but I'm just showing you what you can do to show your clients what you can do real time, and boom, I'm done. Don't forget guys, like, subscribe, comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.